I'm Di from Wild Harvest, and we've been using soil pads for quite a lot of years now. I think this is our seventh tribe TP, and we're just doing a bit of a repair afternoon, so I wanted to share a video with you. The repairs are all to do with me. It's my fault. The quality of soil pads is not in question. I was too ill last year and I didn't put it away over the winter. So the rats and mice have enjoyed it as a bit of a winter nest, and they've left 7 holes in our soil pad tribe. So we contacted Soil Pad, who very graciously sent us some patching kit. So we've been learning how to sew it on today. So just like to show you how we're doing it. We've tried a few different methods. So we were told to cut the patches into diamond shapes, and the idea of that is so that the rainwater sheds. So unfortunately the rats have chewed quite big holes in it, as you can see there. There's a little one next to it that I've already patched up. It was quite useful where there's 2 holes next to each other, because I was able to put my hand through this hole to do the stitching from the back. But where there's just 1 hole and you can't do that, what we're working with at the moment is 2 people, 1 person on the inside of the teepee passing the needle back through. And then the other way that we've just noticed is that it's possible to sew the top part of your diamond on by putting your hand through the hole like this. And the stitch that we're using a very thin needle, because the canvas on the soil pad teepees is so high quality, it's very tightly woven. So just a really small needle and thin cotton, which we've actually waxed with a little bit of beeswax to make it so that it doesn't knot up on the inside. And I'm doing back stitch, and I'm using the hole to The rat that was involved in this crime, by the way, saw a bit of a sad end. We found him dehydrated and flat between the folds of the teepee. We did consider using a curved needle, but it didn't seem necessary. Just an ordinary thin needle is doing the job. And please excuse my stitches. I'm not a seamstress. So here you can see the silhouette of Amber's hands out there, and we've got Fiona inside, and they're just passing the needle to each other. Are you doing, what stitch are you doing?
Doing back stitch.
Yeah, they're doing back stitch as well, just to give it a tighter and a more closed finish so the rain doesn't come in.
Wasp inspecting our work.
And there's another little diamond. So
Okay.
we should be all watertight again for the guides that we've got coming this week and family sustainable living event we've got.
Slightly, a bit more of a pull. There's a little bit of a snag in there.
And this bit of the teepee is where the rat actually died. You can see a patch there and some fur on the tents. I'll have to give that a clean. They do scrub up nice. So yeah, just some patching up.